In this video tutorial, I will show you how to upscale photo resolution without software using artificial intelligence. This is the best way to increase the resolution of photos without losing image quality. It's also fast and easy, so let's go. So you want to increase the resolution of your photos? Well, this is quite easy to do with most photo editors, but in doing so you will in most cases lose out on image quality. But some clever software engineers have created sites that use artificial intelligence to upscale the resolution of photos without sacrificing much image quality. There are several sites like this, which I will show to you at the end of the video, but the one we will be using right now is imglarger.com. First, go to the website imglarger.com. Select pricing. Choose the free version. Scroll down and enter your email and a password for your account. Then click on Get Started. Now you must verify your email address, so go to your email and click on the link to verify. Next, log into your imglarger account. To upscale your image, click on the upload icon where it says drop image or click the button. Select the image you want to enlarge and click open. Now select how big you want the enlarged image to become. Then click on Start. To download the image, just click on the red download button. Now right-click and select Save Image As to save the image to your hard drive. And that's pretty much it. Some other sites that use artificial intelligence to upscale images are deep-image.ai, let'senhance.io, and bigjpeg.com. Check them out as well and let me know which is your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you out. If you want to support the channel, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.